This Malaki line from Chopard, straight up fire. I have the oud, I have the amber Malaki, and now the third one in my collection will be this one right here, black incense. This should be good. Let's unbox it. What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark. Today we're unboxing, no, it's a tester. I've already unboxed it. And giving a first impression on Black Incense Malaki, the newest Malaki release from Chopard. Chopard, quietly with Marius as their nose, are doing some decent releases here. And this one right here, Black Incense Malaki, I'm assuming is going to be a good one from Chopard. Now, if you're new here, hey, thanks for watching. Subscribe, support the channel. Keep coming back. You can hit that bell and you'll get notifications of yours truly doing some more fragrance reviews for you. I'm also all over social media, so if you didn't have enough here, you can go on all over social media under my YouTube handle, Robes08, and keep tabs on behind the scenes stuff. So I post scent of the day, scent of the night, photos on Instagram, new purchases, what I'm working on this channel. If you have a Facebook account, yeah, you can follow me on there, but I also have a Facebook group called Fragrance Guru Nation. We're up to 18,000 members where you can discover new fragrances. We talk about new releases, so you're always in the know as far as the news goes. People buy, sell, swap, split fragrances. So you can get some stuff for a pretty good price, and you can sell your stuff if you want, or you can just buy it, straight up buy. So it's a great source of information, basically, if you're in this hobby. Now we're in the meat and potatoes of the video. This is where I try this fragrance, and you're going to see my first impression on camera. Now, I'm hyped. I don't know if you're hyped, but I'm hyped. Off the strength of the oud and the amber that I got in the past couple years, this was a no-brainer for me to get. When I saw that it was available on fragrancebuy.ca, especially under $100, it's a tester. Yes, I don't get the box, but I don't care. They still have a rose and a musk one that I want to get. So I got two more in the collection that I want to get. And off the strength of the two that I have, and I'm assuming this one's going to be good, I'm thinking the rose and the musk are must buys for me. But when I saw this one, this kind of trumps the rose one and the musk one. Now, I might have made a mistake. We'll see. But I feel like this one should be really good in regards to what the other ones gave me. So this is a new release from them, and I love that they keep adding to this line. It's a 2020 release. So time to sniff this one out. It's an oriental fragrance. Of course, it should be based on the note of incense. So I think with the note breakdowns, they're oud, incense, and leather. Those are the three notes they give us. Obviously, there's much more in some of these fragrances. So let's sniff this one out, and I'm hyped about this one. Not bad for an atomizer. The build of the bottle is beautiful. I love the brushed look to the caps on these fragrances. So, Black Incense Malaki. Let's go. Oh, hot damn. hot damn. Well, you guys ready? I don't know if you're ready. God damn. Dense, smoky, warm, resinous. These are all the, like, if you have the same taste as me and these things are sounding good to you right now, you know what this smells like? And I hear, it's not anywhere published online, but I hear a little birdie told me that Marius is the brainchild behind this one. He has worked with Chopard quite a bit. This reminds me, and again, this will tell people which side you're on. Gucci, guilty, absolute. A little bit. Yeah, it has that, dare I say, like a tar-like, almost like a burnt rubber, leathery, smoky feel to the fragrance. It's got a little bit of an herbal kick to the fragrance too. A little bit of herbs here. Again, there's none in the note breakdown, but I'm thinking something herbal here. It's got some patchouli in the backbone. I can feel that, but it has like a gasoline-like leathery feel, like the Gucci Guilty Absolute. Call me crazy, but this is like a close cousin of it. And if it is Maurice indeed that has worked on this, definitely stole from Gucci Guilty Absolute. I gotta admit it, dude, you're stealing your blueprint. Very good. I feel like it's a little more polished than Gucci Guilty Absolute. I think that one was a little more rough around the edges, which I absolutely love, by the way. I feel like this one has a little less dense, sorry. It has some herbal qualities that gives it some a little different facets here and there, but that leathery, I almost feel like you're at a tannery where they start putting leather goods together with like a gasoline like tar like feel. Obviously black and gold, very good representation of what I'm sniffing on this, and this is a fall and winter fragrance, and I'm looking forward to this. This is a very solid, and I can't stop sniffing. It's a very solid fragrance from Chopard. Wow. And you guys know me. If you've followed me through my journey since 2009 on this channel, you know I don't get wowed too much for fragrance. Designer releases. Look, I'm in this designer thing just like a lot of you. But fragrances like K by Dolce & Gabbana and Sauvage and Eros EDP, those things don't get my juices flowing. That ain't it. I'm not there. Yeah, I might sniff them, might give them a chance, but the hype's not real to me. And this is the kind of stuff that I'm still a designer head. I'm not a niche snob. I look for these type of fragrances in the designer realm where they don't get much play, they don't get much love. This Malaki line, criminally underrated. Amber's awesome. Oud's awesome. This one's awesome off this strip. I don't care what anybody says. This is going to be a beast on my skin. Well, I don't know. We'll see. But it's going to smell great for sure. Now, is this a unique idea? No, I really think that Maurice stole a lot. And if he is the nose from his Gucci Guilty Absolute, he has. Is it as dark and dense? No, it's not. It's much more polished, I feel. Much easier to wear, but it still has that oomph to it, that, oh wow, like that kind of, yeah, this is dark, and it's just that little edge to the fragrance. So I can't wait to delve into this more. Man, that's me throwing the strip and going, yeah, that's a good designer release. So now that you heard my take, and I can't wait to pop the cherry on this one. I'd love to see yours in the comments below. What do you think about this Malaki line? Do you feel like me? Like I need to get that, I think it's the rose or the musk. One of them got discontinued and I need to get that ASAP before stock goes, because I want the whole set, honestly. It's just a rosed one. I don't know. And musk, no, I really wanted the oud and the amber, and those two are strong. And now that they released this one, I had to get the incense one. And as far as incensey, has some smoke, but it's more like a leathery smoke, gasoline like leathery feel, like almost like I kind of said like a burnt rubber accord, kind of like that. It's got some woods to it. I'm smelling some like cedar wood in here, but overall, absolutely flat out a good release. Nothing unique in the game. So if you own Gucci Guilty Absolute, you may not want to go this way, but maybe if you own it, you have the same taste as me, so you might really, really like it, and you don't care if it's redundant. It probably isn't. I just have to put it on skin. So as always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.